Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best home clearance solution on the market, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a smart, efficient, and quiet cleaning companion that handles everything from pet hair to hard floors, stay tuned because this robot vacuum might just be the upgrade your home needs. The Lefant M210 Pro is an impressive evolution from its predecessor, the M201. It features enhanced suction power that ensures even the tiniest dust particles and stubborn pet hair get sucked right up. What's great about this model is its extended battery life, allowing up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. That means it can cover larger spaces without needing a break, and when it does, it automatically returns to its charging base to recharge, making it fully autonomous. This vacuum is equipped with 3 adjustable suction levels, allowing you to customize the cleaning power depending on your needs. Whether you want a gentle clean for delicate surfaces or a stronger pull for carpets and messier areas, it adapts smoothly. Additionally, there are 6 distinct cleaning modes including zigzag, random, spot, edge cleaning, scheduled cleaning, and even manual control. This versatility ensures the Lefant M210 Pro can tackle a variety of cleaning scenarios with ease. One of the standout features of the Lefant M210 Pro is its smart navigation system. With 2 side brushes, it efficiently sweeps dirt from corners and edges into the vacuum's path. It uses built-in infrared sensors to prevent falls downstairs and avoid collisions with furniture, which means it cleans thoroughly without getting stuck or causing damage to your home. Setting up scheduled cleanings is a breeze with the Lefant app. You can program the vacuum to clean at specific times, whether you're home or away, ensuring your floors stay spotless without lifting a finger. The app also lets you monitor progress in real time, change cleaning modes, and adjust suction power remotely. If you use smart home devices, the Lefant M210 Pro integrates effortlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you start or stop cleaning with just your voice. Its slim design, standing only 2.99 inches tall, means it can effortlessly slide under sofas, beds, and other low furniture that traditional vacuums often miss. This, combined with its quiet operation, ensures it won't disturb your daily activities or your pets while it's hard at work. The vacuum is lightweight at 6.7 pounds and supports multiple floor types such as hardwood, carpet, tile, marble, and more, making it a truly versatile cleaning tool for any home environment. Before you get excited, one important note: the Lefant M210 Pro supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So, make sure your home network is compatible for seamless connectivity and control. In summary, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers an outstanding balance of power, smart features, and convenience. It's perfect for anyone looking to maintain a cleaner home effortlessly, especially pet owners who struggle with hair and dander on various floor surfaces. With its quiet, efficient cleaning, smart scheduling, and voice assistant integration, it truly stands out as a top contender in home cleaning technology. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product breakdowns. Until next time, keep your home clean and smart.